What's up, y'all? First time seeing the Bronco. Pops when they picked it up for me last night, I was fishing. So we're gonna go over it, open her up, and show y'all all the details. I wasn't sure what package I had, but it says Badlands, so I guess I got the Badlands. The airbags did deploy. I was not aware of that, but it's cool. On the seats, look good. Came with the leather seats. Once again, the airbags deployed. I like the back of the seats. Got the soft top. Let me take those stickers off. She look good. Badlands package. This is the primary damage right here. The front end. Stay tuned. So I start up 17,000 miles. We got the tow package too, which I'ma very much need towing that boat. I think you can tow up to 3,500 pounds. We're gonna test that out for sure. Sound good. I don't hear no knocking on that neither. Sound real good. Like I said, this is where the primary damage is, so need a new headlight. It's broke right there, as you can see right here. It's supposed to have this whole other part. A lot of stuff cracked, dinged up. A lot of the wires. This chip, I need to find out what this is. This chip needs to get replaced and programmed. This broke, obviously. See right there. The wiring system, it got a little snipped. Y'all can see that, it got a little snip. So we're gonna have to do some fixing on that. Need radiators, a lot of stuff on hooks. But for the most part, no structural damage. Everything that's messed up seems like it can be replaced. And yeah, we should be up in no time, man.
I say, get like the blunt up on the bridges that I burn. I know they gon' bite me, that's the blessings that I earn. 10 bad then they all can get deported. One bad shorty, treat me like I'm top 40. Yeah. $500,000 off tobacco. I need bigger bands. She said me talking like an asshole. Got her talking like she mackerel. I can never trust her, but I love her like my last one. Yeah, all these is all the same. Off the phone with cool, yeah, I need motion in my chain. Once you add more value to the prices that you change. Want another house for my house, I want the range. Yeah, highest in the market. Grab the Glock and hit the switches, plastic on the carpet. For the wealth, ignore the rich, right now they favorite target. I know they watching me. Love the way I pop this for real, they want the recipe. Might just cook this up on the tilt like no one catching me. I put all my demons on the shelf the way these blessings be. I can lose it all if I'm not careful of my pedigree. And I want it all, 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 and I keep it so real, you call me your baby. Part of my team, you swim with the Navy. Come from the mud, come from the shade. Keep it 100,
to get most of the parts off the front end. Was able to make it to the subframe. As you can see right there, I need to get that replaced, pulled. I believe that's the radiator support. I'm not sure. I'm gonna do my research and find out. Also, as you can see right here, this needs to be pulled. This was bent a little bit. That's like the front bumper observer, or what you attach the bumper to. So we're gonna fix that. It should be lined up perfectly like this one, not bent. So the goal is to get that to that, along with a lot of extra work. We gotta fix these cords for the wiring harness, coolant. I gotta find out what this chip is. I need to get this replaced to go with it. The valve cover cracked. We gotta get a new valve cover. A lot of stuff. Radiator support, whole complete front end radiator support and everything. So we're gonna see how it's going. This is pretty much the most part what we got. This is where most of the primary damage and work is gonna be. Other than that, I got some airbags I gotta get done on the inside and some SRS modules. The seat belts need to get reset. And yeah, that's it. What's up, y'all? All the parts came in. Y'all stay tuned. Just took the seat out the passenger side. I'm trying to get to the SRS module that's in here. I'm finna take off that seat and then take this center console off, and hopefully we'll have it. To take the seat off, it had 2 pop-ups right here and just these 4 bolts. Take the driver's side off. Gotta pop these up. I got both seats out. Next, we're gonna take out this center console, but it's a little dirty in here, so I think I'm gonna stop and do a little cleaning right quick. Get some of these chips and ants out of here, and then we'll get to that. Stay tuned. Took the door off, the fenders, the whole console, that door so I can get that seatbelt off. Get ready to take it in my airbags. Got the fender off so we can see what's going on here. Quick update, y'all. I was able to get the curtains put on, the side curtains on both sides fully installed. Reset the SRS module, put the center console back in, cleaned the back seats, got the seats back in. I'm waiting on the front seats because we might have to do some wiring work, and it's gonna require that back area over there. As you can see, it's gonna require that to, we have to get over there. So I didn't want to put the seats in and be all in the way. The seats are done. I went to Tony Trim Shop, got the seats, airbags reset. As you can see, the curtain airbags, you can see a little bit right here, but as you can see, it's fully in there and installed. No issues. Cleaned the back. The back is pretty good. Curtains, everything good. Cleaned up. What's up, y'all? Champ checking in. Back at y'all. Just want to give y'all a quick update right quick. We was able to get the alternator on with the new belt. She ready to go. I was able to source out this wiring. You remember I told y'all I was having some issues. I was able to find the whole wiring harness. That should be here Thursday. This is the drivetrain module. I got that replaced. I got to get that hooked up. This that goes on it is connected to the wiring harness that's coming. We got to fix the coolant. We got to fix the valve cover. That's a crack right there. And then once all that's complete, we should be able to put everything back together and move forward to the next step, which is going to the frame shop to get this pulled a little bit, get this smoothed out, lined up like that. And then we should be on the road in no time, man. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all, this Champ checking in. Just wanted to give y'all a quick update. We was able to get the valve cover on the outside. We're doing a test fit right now. We put everything on, make sure everything sized up and match up how we needed it before we bolt everything in and start building back up. On the inside, we was able to reset the SRS modules, get all the airbags reset, got the seats reset, and new airbags in them as well. So right now, I think we started the wire harness process over there. So I think in part 2, we're gonna finish that up and finish the build up. So that's gonna be it for today, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, and I appreciate y'all. Have a good day.